Okay, I just missed this thing starting up, but here is a new Heil. What is this? A heat pump? I think this is a heat pump. Yeah, this is a heat pump. Package heat pump. Model number PHF042K000E. It was made in 03. Oh, dang it. This ain't a new one. It's a 03. But it's under this shelter, which I don't really like the idea of putting it under a shelter. And, this thing's quiet. The air conditioners next door are shot because I'm having to step through all this wires and crap just for a video. And then there is a very old window unit. I don't know what brand it is. And of course, here's a ceiling fan. I'm using the KCO. Condensation. Don't sound healthy. Yeah, Copeland scroll. Noisy little sucker. But anyways. Yeah, I brought my rag in case it rains. But anyways. Over and out.